Now see the reason why I dey always dey talk am say to marry keep for Nigeria e no good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about one man wey come Omiyore wey talk say e woman when he say he need hook up. So that Omiyore come tell am say you fit get wife. Now he begin dey narrate the ex-wife story for Nigeria. Make una come lis ten o. I say this life no balance. I dey always dey talk am, and I dey always dey talk am say if you know say you get woman for Africa before you come Europe, na 50-50. Maybe sometimes if e stay, some if dem no go fit wait dem go begin dey jogodo different men wey dem see for Nigeria there. This man, woman, e come talk so many story wetin woman do am for Africa. Make una lis ten o, make una learn from inside. Some kind topic wey dem dey carry come Omiyore place, make una not just look am make una laugh. No. Make una still pick some sense from inside. Make una come hear how the woman take dey carry different men dey jogodo there. Make una lis ten. And before una start to dey lis ten, make una subscribe so that una go see dey hear many ogbonge news wey dey come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. Please help me to share the video and always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Bye.
What happened to your wife?
Wetin me dey talk now? For that time now, I come there, I dey sell things, I dey do everything they give am for Germany that time. When I tell you Germany. For 2019, I come send motor when I want to go give am. As I send the motor go give am, he start like people come and say, this woman when they send everything they give, she dey build that, they wait for you, they do everything. You know say this woman get boyfriend? I say, my wife, they answer those things, she know they agree. She, even if I want to be the matter, she know even allow me talk her. Say all those things are for you, because I say that for her head. Now only she be woman when I get. So now I say, answer. As I just answer now so she just carry my leg for ground. Say, why me will even call the answer? Who be the person who will tell me? I said, the person who will tell me, you know, hard. Now my junior one, I say, see person when see you. Say, I want to tell her, say, he see you, he see my brother wife with another man for hotel. Now I say the answer. I saw the woman say carry my leg for that 2000. I don't already sell the motor. Use my son, they put the motor go give her that period. And after the matter, now so I tell you, say she can't call her one day. She follow one policeman go Lagos. He say motor when his brother where they Germany carry come. Say the motor, they spend money, the motor they not be carry come. He want follow the policeman. Go Lagos, go carry the motor. And I follow policeman, go spend 3 days for hotel. Now I come say, you
your wife,
married woman, you live there for her.
Wait,
your papa carry motor call, you want follow the policeman. Go carry her. Now with the matter say for that time, mommy, when I do from before I know what did happen, government for Germany, they don't carry my leg for ground. They just write petition against me, say I get 4 children from Nigeria with my wife, say I abandon that I don't live there. I want to come marry another woman for Germany. They get one girl, one Bulgarian girl, when I dey friend. That one they post me for picture well. They carry the picture, now they send that for my house Snyder. I so problem start. They do. Before they do, they not fit deport me that time. My lawyer can't fight the case that time. They not come fit deport me. My wife now can use a spiritual way to enter the matter. Now be smart. Before 2 months, another for that 2019, another while I don't start. Now so they do me, even people, me and many people, when we there, all of them even support. Which kind of problem with this one will not they finish? And so they take report me that I even try to run. Now I go fast. As I just reach hacking, I not even dress like I they travel. I just reach hacking. And so police just surround me for hacking. They just ask me passport. And so they first carry me come back that time before they call deport me. Come finally deport me for December. For 2019 December come. I reach out mommy. I see my wife. I don't know what I want done. I look. She did swear for my presence.
Yeah, they could deport you.
Since when I come up, learning my daughter to her for road. That's okay. But what of my deport? Why you call it the juju say deport me for Jamie? You say in one, she not deny. You say in one, me I can't see her. Me my two I can't see her. Whether she do or she not do. And I say, okay, don't wonder. Waiting one prophet really tell me because when the matter they happen, there is one Igbo woman. When direct one prophet for me, I call the prophet tell me say na my wife, now they do everything. Say the woman not be ordinary woman. When I marry. Say this is why before person marry, you have to take the woman to church. Make they do deliver for her before he marry her. The pastor called tell me like that. As I reach out, and where will she carry me go GROA? One celestial for GROA for Yama. The said as me and she just go there, me not even know the prophet before. Now she can, now my wife carry me go there. She just did the same thing. Now the prophet just tell me, say whether my wife tell me, say me I come. Say now my wife now carry me come back.
Easy.
I look, mama, nothing make problem with her, nothing do anything. And my children, they did there. I say, but now, not be if I say me as a follower, they make problem now. I know if you come on for Nigeria, I will see day. Now I take carry my first son, follow body. That one now 16 years old boy. I carry down follow body. Me I say that one say come on for Nigeria. She for inside that one, she don't come and say she get belly. Again, after 4 children, she come and say she get belly for last year now, 2020. She come and say she get belly. I say, who can give you belly? He say na me now. I said that belly because me don't already come up for. I said that belly. You sure say na me get am? He say me give me test when you do. Now he send the test. Come give me. They send the test. Come they say the department of December 18. They bring the test. Come say she get the belly for December, but say the belly start for December, but no, they not correct date put. When the belly.
Oh yeah, wait. Now the 18, now they deport you. Now when you make love with your wife, when?
When I take on her so. When I take reach Nigeria.
December time.
Because she did deny, she did swear, so you know. I make love with her for that December, so when I come. I make love with her, that kind 2020 something. I make love with her. For January, I still make love with her before I come up for February.
Now you get the belly now. Happy?
Now we call they do the matter, mommy, because the one where it don't happen, I did not forget that one. So everything what she do me for Jeremy because of 2 children, I not come through the matter. I not even tell my family the matter. I not even let my family know say me there because me and all those one will not they agree too much. Me not even call those one say I did Nigeria before I say come out. When me and this one take on live now. As we dey now, the thing I can't even work. If I record the woman, sometimes my wife when say a new born, she born for September last year. If I call her sometimes, she will just off my phone or she will just block me. If I call her, the number will be bank from morning to night. Sometimes I will call her around 8 o'clock in the night. She will do road. She will do side motor. Where you for the you when you born? Where baby? You say baby there with my girl because I get only one daughter when she born for me. That one at 13 years old now. You will say that one hold baby for her. I say you when you born, you leave baby for us. You enter road this night. Children they have. You don't see me anything not happen to them. Where you go this night? When I say the matter, don't know, even if I even they talk the matter, say she not much, he will just call the call. He will just offer. When I lose, I not coffee they talk. Now I call my family for us. Now I call report the matter to my family. Says, see what I pass through for my wife. And she will even do, she will call me sometimes. She will call me for video call. He will add another margina. He will add another margina the video call. It will be conference call. If I the answer be this, the man will call the call. I can't call a brother. If I want to join me, I report that one to them. Before me even they talk the matter, that one just carry my leg for ground. Say you know the one will be my own for inside. Say for even for Jeremy where he did. If they see Oyibo, when marry, when get wife and children for us. Say the man will come out, he will go carry another woman for us. The woman will come out, he will go carry another man. Say they know will say make the woman come, make all that put. Now I say, now what now you tell me so? That's why I take all the boy call. Now I block the boy for phone. Before I report the matter to my family. And now my family is better now. You say no, they come. And before me come up for Benin, they already tell me say the church where they go. Now because like the pastor, now they follow and they do everything. They tell me for inside the church say the pastor with my wife say they get with the day. Say before me come, say 2 of them. Now that they see. Before me come out. And the pastor, many people tell me say the pastor is still with her. The person when you see the ad join me for phone now see the person. If I just call the number, so the man will just dey shout for me. Say me I not try to call this number again. Me I not call the number again. Say no one care to know me, no one know who I be. I never know you before. Person add the joint call, take call me for conference call. For WhatsApp for that matter, not be say for ordinary call. Me no, I just like me I confirm who this one be. They shout for me. I think tell me, mama. Now I call report the matter to my family. My family invite her now for our village for Ewoyimi. They invite her. She says she know they come. She did my house now. Is there and the children there. So all my property when I do you now she dey use the everything. Even earlier this year now I see rent flat for Eriri. I rent one flat for 200,000 and I pay for the house where I did for Eriri. Earlier this year now I rent that one for her. Mommy, I beg, I not know what people do. This one when I tell you now, you know, village people that they do. And they say not true. Say the woman, he really get boyfriend for being there. Even the man when the friend, with the number of the man they with me, if I call, I will just shout for me. Say me, I not call the call again. Mommy, I beg. I want to help me. If you still need that, I know, but I will still say I know, but I call her.
Give me a number. Make a fair call her now first before I go talk to you. Before I will call you, but may you day online they watch.
Okay.
Yes.